Right. We're going to see my friend today. Just got some fuel. At the good old Shell. Got that premium juice. And I figure out once quad lock is sorted.
Nice.
Okay. Let's go use it. My friend got a drone. And we're gonna go test it. See what it's like, see what it does, see if it's worth it. Come join you, friend. Woo! Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's gonna think that I'm following him now. Thanks. So the plan for today, go out, see my friend I haven't seen in a while, see what does what, have some fun with cameras and that, but in the meantime, I'm going to tell you why I got Big Z. Also, I hope it ain't going to rain. Right, I got Z650. It is a Kawasaki, which comes in certain colours, including covered green. It's like an olive green has been called before. Ooh, hello. Whee! Yeah, I love it. It's a 649cc twin. It's a parallel twin, so I only got 2 cylinders. But that's also why it sounds the way it does. Aggressive. It's not because of the exhaust. I don't know, average height?
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. Like I'm below 6 foot, but this is what I look like on the bike. These are not fully bent, but it's still comfortable enough so I can flat foot with both feet on the ground with the Z. Everything's at an arm length. I don't have to stretch. I don't have to lean forward like on a sports bike, which is why I've got this, which is a naked. The Big Z. Well, I say big. Mid Z. It's the Mid Z. There's a reason why I got this, not a Yamaha, which would have been a contender on my list of getting a first big bike. However, the reason is because I've done my test, my Mod 2 test on an MT07. Naked, very popular, very loved by many, lots of people. Ooh, I'm not going to make that. And it wasn't for me. It was a little bit too tall for me. It was a little bit too aggressive for me. And it was a little bit too popular for my liking. Oh. It is a lovely bike. It's got enough power for what I need it to do, and it can be an A2 bike for those who have an A2 license. Though it is unrestricted, since I have a full UK license for unrestricted for the cycles, the A category. I couldn't be happier with it. Yeah, basically I've tried a couple of nakeds before. First time I've ever sat on a bike that's not a 125 was a Suzuki SV650 naked. I've done my Mod 1 on one of them, and I wasn't a fan. I did not like that bike. I like Suzuki, not that one. I was not a fan. I can't find that, mate. Oh, bikers, hello. I guess that was a nod. He just went, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. Go, 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 go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey! Alright. Let's see what's going on here. I'm fast as boy. Ah. Hello. Right, that has been success. It was fun as... Yeah, I'm going to try and go this way without maps. That's going to be my little challenge for today. Get home without maps. Sat nav 100% activated. I'm gonna go this way. Bye-bye. Right, so that has been fun. He's got a drone. Turns out, drones are sick, man. They get the footage that you don't really see. Because everything's from, like, normal height. Like our height. Like DSLR, the cameras and the phones and stuff. I think the whole drone situation just unlocked the whole potential for, like, filming industry and, like, the images and the angles you can capture. Woo! But yeah, time for some B-road fashion.